Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Mustela Cradle Cap is probably one of the most common concerns for new parents. Cradle cap, those flaky, scaly patches on your baby's scalp, can be a worry. But fear not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Mustela Cradle Cap, exploring its gentle yet effective formula designed to soothe and eliminate those pesky flakes. We'll uncover how this product can bring comfort to your little one and peace of mind to you. Number 5. Frida Baby Cradle Cap Kit. This 3-step system from Frida Baby is designed to effectively treat cradle cap. It includes a pre-wash mask, scalp spray, and a special brush to gently remove flakes. It helps keep your baby's scalp healthy. The gentle formula calms irritation and redness. It also locks in moisture to help prevent future flaking and dryness. This will bring comfort to your little one. The application steps are simple, making it easy for busy parents. You can easily maintain a soothing scalp routine for your baby. It's designed for your convenience. It's safe for everyday use on newborns and babies. This supports ongoing scalp health without overdrying. You can use it daily without worry. It's free of phthalates, parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, dyes, and formaldehyde. You can trust that it's made with clean and safe ingredients for your baby's delicate skin. It's a worry-free choice. What we like? This 3-step system offers a complete solution. It soothes irritation and prevents dryness. If you're a parent looking for a comprehensive and gentle approach to cradle cap, you should consider this. What people say. The product works very well. It is a great product for cradle cap. The brush is soft and gentle. Number 4. Frida Baby Cradle Cap System. Start by lathering your baby's head with baby soap or oil using the soft foam sponge. This step is crucial for treating cradle cap. Remember to replace the sponges for continued use. Next, use the gentle bristle brush to massage your baby's scalp in a circular motion. This helps to loosen the flakes, making the treatment more effective. Gently lift the flakes from your baby's scalp and hair with the comb. This step is essential for removing the cradle cap. This 3-step system provides all the essential tools parents need to effectively eliminate flakes. It's the perfect solution for cradle cap treatment. The kit features a super soft, dense sponge and gentle bristles. This ensures effective treatment while being gentle on your baby's sensitive skin. It's designed with care. What we like? This all-in-one kit provides essential tools. It helps to loosen and lift flakes effectively. If you are looking for a practical and complete kit to tackle cradle cap, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works very well. It has a nice scent. It is easy to use. Number 3. Frida Baby DermaFrida SkinSoother Baby Bath Brush 2-Pack. Introducing the SkinSoother, a baby essential designed to gently remove dry skin, cradle cap, and eczema. This brush helps keep your little one's skin smooth and healthy. Made with 100% silicone, this bath brush is easy to clean and reuse, making it a perfect replacement for washcloths. It's designed for convenience and hygiene. The soft bristles and massage beads turn bath time into a spa experience for your baby. It helps calm the baby and prepares them for bedtime. The brush features a stay-put suction cup that sticks to the tub for quick dry and easy access. No more dealing with drippy washcloths. This set includes 2 bath brushes and an on-the-go storage case. It's everything you need for a soothing and convenient bath time routine. What we like? This silicone brush offers a gentle massage. It's easy to clean and comes with a storage case. If you like a simple yet effective tool for bath time and want to soothe your baby, you should consider this. What people say. Very gentle and effective for newborn scalp and sensitive skin. It lifts flakes gently without scratching or pulling. The Frida Baby Head Scrub Silicone Brush is soft, gentle, and easy to hold, making bath time much easier. Number 2. Mustela Baby Cradle Cap Bundle. This bundle includes a natural baby shampoo and cradle cap cream. It's designed to gently cleanse and soothe your baby's delicate scalp. This set is perfect for tackling cradle cap. The products are made with natural ingredients, including avocado. The shampoo and cream work together to effectively remove flakes. It also helps to prevent future occurrences. This two-piece set provides everything you need to manage cradle cap. The shampoo cleanses, while the cream moisturizes and soothes. It's a simple yet effective solution for your baby. The Mustela bundle is specifically formulated for babies. It's gentle enough for daily use. The products are designed to provide relief from cradle cap symptoms. Mustela is a brand trusted by parents worldwide. This bundle is a testament to their commitment to quality. It offers a safe and effective way to care for your baby's skin. What we like. This bundle includes a natural baby shampoo and cradle cap cream. It's enriched with natural avocado. If you are looking for a natural and gentle solution, you should consider this. What people say. The product works very well. It is easy to use. The cradle cap is gone after using this product. Number 1. Mustela Cradle Cap Cream for Newborn. Is your newborn suffering from cradle cap? This cream is specially designed to gently minimize scalp flakes. It's a fragrance-free moisturizer, perfect for delicate baby skin. We understand the importance of gentle care. That's why this cream is completely fragrance-free. It provides soothing relief without any harsh chemicals or strong scents. Rest assured, this product is clinically tested. It's also dermatologist tested, ensuring its safety and effectiveness for your baby's sensitive skin. You can trust it to provide the care your little one needs. This cream helps to effectively minimize those bothersome scalp flakes. Apply it gently, and let it work its magic. The result is a healthier, happier scalp for your baby. Each tube contains 1.35 fluid ounces of this effective cream. A little goes a long way, providing lasting relief and helping to keep your baby's scalp healthy and comfortable. What we like. This fragrance-free cream is designed to minimize flakes. It is clinically and dermatologist tested. If you are looking for a gentle, clinically backed solution, you should consider this. What people say. This cream works amazing. One-time use and the cradle cap on my daughter was almost completely gone. After 2 uses her little scalp was flake and itch-free. Her little scalp feels nice and hydrated, not to mention how soft it leaves her hair. After the second treatment, goodbye cradle cap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.